Click on the link below to get price. The GoPro HERO13 Black Action Bundle represents a well-rounded option for those interested in capturing their adventures with high-quality imagery. This package comes equipped with 2 Enduro batteries and a waterproof design, making it suitable for a variety of environments and situations. At first glance, the HERO13 Black maintains GoPro's familiar, compact aesthetic, yet it is built to endure the rigors of outdoor activity. Its robust construction is complemented by a waterproof housing, allowing users to take it underwater without concern. This feature opens up opportunities for shooting in diverse conditions, such as during water sports or in rain-soaked landscapes. One of the standout features of the HERO13 is its enhanced battery life, thanks to the inclusion of the 2 Enduro batteries. These batteries are designed to perform better in colder temperatures and extend shooting session durations, which is beneficial for those who may spend long days outdoors. This improvement addresses one of the common concerns faced by action camera users: battery reliability during extended use. The camera itself is equipped with a high-performance sensor that promises to deliver stunning 4K video resolution and crisp, vibrant images, even in challenging lighting conditions. The HERO13 also includes built-in stabilization technology, which minimizes the effects of shaking during movement, resulting in smooth footage that is easy to watch. Such features are especially advantageous for those engaging in high-action activities like biking, surfing, or skiing. In terms of usability, the GoPro HERO13 Black is designed to be intuitive. The touchscreen interface is responsive and user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation between different shooting modes and settings. This is a significant advantage for users who may not have extensive experience with action cameras. Additionally, the camera can connect to smartphones and other devices, facilitating quick sharing of captured content on social media or with friends. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO13 Black Action Bundle offers a versatile and practical solution for capturing high-quality video and images in a variety of settings. With robust features like enhanced battery performance, waterproofing, and advanced stabilization, it stands out as a strong choice for both seasoned adventurers and newcomers alike. Whether you are hiking through rugged terrain, diving into ocean depths, or simply documenting everyday moments, this action camera is equipped to meet your needs.